Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt in a rice cooker. First, measure 4 cups of whole milk and pour it into your rice cooker pot. Set the cooker to a high heat setting, or use a stovetop, and heat the milk to 180 degrees F. Stir the milk often to prevent it from sticking or burning at the bottom. This step is crucial for a safe and delicious batch of yogurt. Once your milk reaches 180 degrees F, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. The ideal temperature for adding your starter is 110 degrees F. You can use an ice bath to speed up this process. Then, gently stir in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. Make sure the starter is fully incorporated into the milk mixture. Now, pour your milk and starter mixture back into the clean rice cooker pot. Close the lid securely. Select the Keep Warm setting on your rice cooker. Allow the yogurt to incubate for 8 to 12 hours. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. Avoid disturbing it during this time. After incubation, your yogurt is ready. Carefully remove the pot from the rice cooker. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. This helps the yogurt set properly and improves its texture. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through a cheesecloth. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.